Hello students, I hope you all are fine and are doing great. I am back again with a very interesting video for you guys. Today we are going to talk about the landforms. क्या आपको पता है कि landforms क्या होते हैं? I'm sure आप सबने ये word पहले सुन रखा होगा, but today I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it. As you guys know, no two places on earth look same. ज़मीन पर कोई भी दो जगहें एक जैसी बिल्कुल नहीं लगती. Hills, plains, lakes, streams, and other features shape a place. These physical attributes and characteristics and features of the earth are called landforms. Let me repeat it again. Hills, plains, lakes, streams, and other features shape a place. These physical attributes, characteristics, and features of the earth are called landforms. Let's talk about these landforms in detail. Have you ever heard of fold mountains? मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि fold mountains क्या होते हैं. Mountains hold and fix the crust of earth. These mountains moves like clouds. जी बिल्कुल, पहाड़ बादलों की सी तरह मूव करते हैं और इसी तरह ज़मीन की क्रस्ट भी मूव करती है. Similarly, the Earth's crust is moving, and this movement is called crustal movement. The fold mountains are a result of these crustal movements. इन्हीं crustal movements के नतीजे में fold mountains बनते हैं. It takes a millions of years to see a visible change of this movement on the Earth's surface, as it is very slow in process. And do you know that it gives rises to formation of volcanoes and mountains? जी बिल्कुल, इसी movement के नतीजे में ही volcanoes और मज़ीद पहाड़ बनते हैं. Now, let me tell you an amazing fact related to it. And the Himalayas, they keep on folding themselves and they keep on getting taller. Cliffs. क्या आपको पता है कि cliffs क्या होते हैं? Let me tell you. Cliffs are high steep faces of rocks. ये coasts और पहाड़ों के पास पाए जाते हैं. They are formed due to erosion and feathering. क्या आपको पता है कि पाकिस्तान में भी ये cliffs हैं? जी हाँ, कराची Hawke's Bay के पास. These cliffs are found in Pakistan near the Hawke's Bay, Karachi. Bays. I'm sure you have heard this word before. What is a bay? A bay is a body of water that is mostly surrounded by land. Bays are formed by erosion of rocks near the seashores. ज़मीन से घिरे होने की वजह से इनका पानी काफ़ी पुरसकून होता है और एक बहुत बड़ी बे को गल्फ कहते हैं. Right? Now, do you guys know what are peninsulas? Peninsulas are areas of land that extend out into the sea from the mainland. Malaysian and Italian peninsulas कुछ बहुत prominent peninsulas हैं. Valleys. वादियाँ. Valleys are flat lands between mountains and they are fairly hot in summer and cold in winters. There are many valleys in Pakistan as well. Hunza, Azad Kashmir, Chitral, Kaghan, and Swat are the most popular tourist spots in Pakistan, and they are valleys. Deltas. Now, what is a delta? Delta क्या है? Let's see. A delta is an area formed at the mouth of a river when it meets to join the ocean, sea, or lake. Deltas are rich in soil and ये बहुत ज़रख़ेज़ होते हैं. इसीलिए राइस यानी चावलों की काश्त के लिए ये बेहतरीन जगह हैं. और पाकिस्तान में we have deltas on the Indus, which lies at केटी बंदर near कराची. क्या आप सबने कभी plateaus के बारे में सुना है? I'm sure सुन रखा होगा, but let me tell you what plateaus are. Plateaus are high-level grounds of hard-layered land that has a broad and flat platform of table land. I'm repeating it again. Plateaus are high-level grounds of hard-layered land that has a broad and flat platform of table land. The Balochistan Plateau and the Potawar Plateau in Punjab are the best examples of this landform in Pakistan. जी बिल्कुल, बलूचिस्तान प्लेट्यू और पोटोहार प्लेट्यू जो कि पंजाब में है, पाकिस्तान में मौजूद लैंडफॉर्म्स की बेहतरीन एग्जाम्पल है। Hills. Hills are areas of higher altitude which rise above the rest of the land. They are made of harder rocks and are more resistant to erosion. Now, Pakistan has many hilly ranges. पाकिस्तान में बहुत ज़्यादा हिली रेंजेस हैं, जिस तरह के मार्कला हिल्स, कीर्थर हिल्स एंड मरी हिल्स, और ये तीनों जगहें बहुत ही ज़्यादा फेमस हैं। आई एम श्योर कि अब आप सबको लैंडफॉर्म्स के बारे में बहुत सी चीज़ें पता लग चुकी होंगी। In our upcoming video, we will talk more about it. But for that, you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, take very good care of yourself. Bye-bye.